So, guess what? Only you can love yourself the way that you desire to be loved. Let that sink in. God shows us how to love with his unconditional love without any limitations. Just to show us we're worthy to be loved, to love ourselves just as equally. Because through God's love, he shows we are worthy. So when you love somebody, so that when it's time to love somebody else, you know exactly how to love them, just like you love yourself. You are so amazing. And never forget that. I love you. Stay true to yourself.